It's so stretchy, guys. No, it's not. Hey guys, welcome to Caleb Aziel's vlog. My name's Ali, and I'm with my sister making slime. She wants to make slime. Her name is Isa. So,
and what's
we're
your
going.
sister's name?
But guys, we're going to make slime. So the ingredients of it is we're gonna share them. The ingredients are glue, clear glue,
It's clear.
yeah, and shaving cream. That's it.
An activator.
Yeah, magical liquid, and some glitter.
Yeah.
And we need some color too. And the last thing
And mixer.
Yeah, mixing tools. Let's go.
Yay.
First, we have to add in the glue. Isa, put
Okay.
on your glue.
Okay. I'm so squeezy.
Squeeze it.
There you go.
Not a lot. Put a lot. That's so little. Isa, I know what to do. Let me close it.
Woohoo. Woohoo.
Here you go. Oh no, I forgot to put tape. Oh yeah, I already put tape.
Okay.
Guys, I'm helping my sister since she couldn't.
Guys, my mixer. My tool.
Bruh.
My mixer. My tool.
I can't see very good.
Why?
Okay, hold on. This is your glue, okay?
It's
Now
my
I'm gonna add my glue in. You have to put a lot.
Mine's
Me too.
lots.
I'm gonna put a lot.
Guys, I'm gonna put some
copying
a little bit more. There you go.
I want. It's okay. My dad's gonna buy me some. Okay. Oh, that's
And my
so
dad's
much.
gonna. And
Okay, guys. Now
guys,
let's
can you see my
mix.
picture?
Okay, guys. Let's mix.
My mother,
Oh, my.
my mom married
Okay.
is my dad.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's mix. Isa. Let's mix.
Oh, this side.
Mix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Now let's put some glitter. I'm gonna put.
I want my glitter.
This is my glitter, bro.
I want glitter.
Oh shoot! Shoot! What? Sorry, guys. It's my problem.
It's okay, Ozzy. It's just to my brother.
Bruh.
It's good, Ozzy.
It's gold, really. Oh. That's enough.
Wow.
Okay, now let's mix, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, now it's all done. Now let's add some shaving cream. It's like I want to eat it so bad.
No, Ozzy, you're so greedy.
Oh, bruh, all done.
Wow.
Now let's mix, guys.
Okay. One's forming. Wow.
Bro, it's not forming yet. So now let's add some activator, magical liquid.
Yeah.
You could buy it in Amazon.
Yeah. Guys,
Okay.
I love you.
Bruh, it's gross. Okay.
I'm not gonna kiss them.
Here's some magical liquid. It will start to form, Isa. Look, oh.
Mine is forming.
No, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is.
Look!
Bro, you have to put more activator. Don't use it with your hand yet.
No.
Yeah.
I see. This is so much fun.
But guys, mine's starting to form, guys.
Time for color.
Oh, magical liquid helps.
Yeah.
That's why, or contact solution, or borax, eye drops, tie. You could use blue tie. For like it's for laundry too, and for slime it starts to form too.
Yeah.
Look. Or contact solution. You can use that.
Guys, this is
Guys.
possible, but I'm
My sister's so happy she learned how to make slime now.
I think don't put some more because I saw something fresh.
Guys, look! Sweet. Bro, what the freak? It starts to form. It's not bad, really.
I think so.
It's too sticky thing. Oh, contact solution. Real. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm going to get a contact solution.
What is
Wait
it
here.
for?
It's for making your slime nice. Guys, this is my contact solution. So
Guys.
I'm gonna put some in here.
Guys, I'll get you a kiss.
Isa, ew. What the freak are you doing? Isa, look, it's look, Isa, I put some contact solution.
For me too?
Yeah. See? Look at the leak. You have to mix it. Oh, mine is really good.
No, and mine.
Guys, I'm not really sure where's my container. Oh, I have a cup. Oh, guys, this is where we're going to put our slime. In this, a coffee cup.
But
it's gonna dry out, guys. Oh yeah, I could put tape over the hole. Where's some of my tape? Where's my tape?
Your tape is there. I did know. Okay. Guys, my brother's nice. Your brother's nice. Oh, guys, you're a girl or a boy?
My sister always wanted to make slime, so I'm making her one.
I love slime.
I'm helping her. So
I said, do you love slime?
Yeah.
I love some too.
Yeah, this is the container.
It's
don't use it with your hand yet. Okay.
I touch it.
Wait, let's say we have to feel first. If it's sticky, if you have to put more contact solution. Mine's really sticky, guys.
Okay.
I think we need to wait a while, so maybe I'll do it later. I'll just add contact solution. Here's some more.
So it's like Mimi.
Ew. So don't say that. That's for Filipino. We're Filipino.
Yeah.
And Arabic. We're Abu. Look, Isa, mine's starting not be sticky.
Mine is not.
Yours is sticky. Look how clear is mine.
Mine not.
Look, Isa, it's good. It's wait, I have to feel first. Oh, guys, this kind of sticky, guys. Let's put some more contact solution.
Stop, Ozzy. You're so shaking
Let's put
mine.
some more. Okay. Now let's.
That's a lot, Ozzy. Look, I see some water.
It helps.
I know.
Oh, mine's almost ready.
Me too.
No? Oh, look at mine.
Mine is trying to form.
Mine is forming. It's formed already. Now I could use it with my hand. No! If it stops sticking, guys, look. Oh, it's so.
I have to mix it a little bit more.
Isa, put some more active contact solution.
Okay.
Little.
Okay.
Little by little. Squeeze it. Isa, squeeze it. Guys, look! Oh, my slime. I have to mix it. A little bit more. I need contact solution.
I said mine is mine. Ozzy!
Sorry.
It's okay, Ozzy.
Oh, there's nothing anymore.
Just a little
Oh, it doesn't stick to clothes.
Because contact color should help.
It doesn't stick to clothes.
Ozzy,
That's so
mine
cool.
is like a tornado.
Oh, shoot.
Mine is forming.
Mine formed already.
Mine is
Bro,
formed.
it's not sticking anymore
Yeah, not.
to the cup, bro. That's so cool.
I know. And yours
No,
is
I'm met with contact solution, guys. Guys, look. Wow, I love it so much.
Let's put some color.
Not yet. It's too sticky. Not yet.
Mine not sticky. I love this.
I love
Guys,
this.
do you have slime at home?
Comment.
What do you have pink or do you have your sister or your?
Hey, guys, comment what should they use to make it super stretchy because my slime is not really stretchy.
Guys, make some for your sister, okay?
Yeah, guys, because that is a kind because maybe your sister might cry like a crybaby.
Hey, Ozzy!
I'm sorry,
It's okay.
bro. What the freak? Bro, what the freak? It's not. It's keeping sticking.
I don't know, Ozzy.
Okay, now I have to.
Wow!
Sorry, you're saying about his name. Pray amen. Guys, you have to accept Jesus. Okay, Jesus is real because if you say bad words, it's your Jesus doesn't like. Guys, look, it makes sound. ASMR, guys, look. ASMR. ASMR. Don't put near, really near. I have to put more context solution. I'm mixing, guys. You have to mix, guys. Guys, you should mix because a context solution to make it not sticky because that is slime if you put if your slime will ASMR, guys. I'm doing ASMR.
Yeah, guys.
Right, bro.
Can I put mine too?
What? Not yet. You're a slime already.
Yeah, I know, Ozzy. Ozzy, I love you so much.
Bro.
Ozzy, I love you so much.
Side.
Ozzy, I love you so much.
I love you.
Okay. I like you.
Just put it in the side so we
I love
have
you.
space.
Never shy.
Because that is a
Every star
disaster.
have a
Guys,
child.
look. It's so stretchy. Why is it? Guys. I love ASMR, guys. I have to put some more.
It's so amazing.
I love it.
How about Ozzy? Let's put some color.
No,
now.
not yet. Until your slime's not sticky.
It's mine is not
Your
sticky.
slime. Guys, it helps if you put context solution.
I have to mix it.
But you can mix it. You have to mix it with your hand since you could do it with your hand.
Mine is not sticky now. Mine is sticky, Ozzy. Can I put mine because mine is not sticky still? Mine's not sticky, Ozzy. Can I put some color now?
Guys, let's try this test. We put our hand on it, and if it sticks to your hand, you should. It sticks to your hand, so it's sticky. Let's put a little bit of more context solution in here. So we have.
How about mine too?
Make it like that. Then, so I'll put it in there. I'll mix.
Wow.
Bro, you could use it.
So pretty,
Oh,
Ozzy.
guys, look the side. It's not sticky anymore, guys.
Yeah.
That's why you should buy one of these in Amazon. You want to see my baby brother?
Yeah.
Want to see? He's super cute.
Yeah.
I love him
Do
so
you
much.
have
Come on,
a baby
bring
brother?
A. So let's show to the vlog. Okay, maybe later, guys. I love this so much.
Ozzy, can I put some colors now?
Not yet. You have to do this first. If it sticks to your hand.
It didn't.
Not very fast. You have to do it slow. Mine is not ready yet.
Mine's ready.
Okay, put color.
Okay.
I'll help.
No, I want to do it. I know. I know how to do it, Ozzy. Ozzy, I know.
I will help. Maybe you will sponge. Hold on. Okay, you mix it all together first.
It's not forming yet.
No. You have to mix it fast. Yes, it starts.
I want a little bit more.
Okay. Look at your slime. That's so good.
Wow, Ozzy.
Mine's a little bit white. I'm sorry that I put a lot of glitter. That's why it starts to make.
Sorry.
Mine's ready.
It's okay, Ozzy.
Does
It's still the best butter.
Bruh. It helps. My baby brother is crying. Guys, we're staying up late.
My baby brother's right there.
My baby brother is right here. Come. Please. Mom, please show Ace. Okay. Look at mine. Guys, it's almost like... Oh, no need some more. No need. That's already purple. For me, I need some more.
Don't use some purple. That's not your fam color.
No, I use some purple so we mix together. So let's make a big. I think we need a big bubble, guys.
Okay. I see, but if we, I see, now if we done
mix.
doing that, I see when we done doing that, we'll start mixing
Done?
together.
Put it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make a bigger.
I see when it's done, I see where's my slime now? I'll have it
You try.
later.
Okay, now let's make some more, guys. Guys, let's make some more slime in my sister. Because this is not a lot. So we need a bigger. It needs to fill up this one, right, Isa? Guys, it has to fill up. Isa, I'm gonna fill up. I'm gonna finish all my clear glue. So we make a bigger. I'm gonna make another slime. So my sister has to wait. So, bro, you put so much.
It's okay, Ozzy. That's
I
okay.
put so much. Too much. Put too much glue.
Guys,
Dang it.
guys, do you know I have a baby brother because do you got nice toys like your sister? Wow, I have some nice toys, guys. Gosh, this is the best.
Bro, I love this.
My slime
I'll make some.
color.
I'll be fast. That's it.
Okay, time to mix it.
Shoot. Isa, no.
Sorry.
Isa. Okay. Stop. Don't mix it yet. I'm mixing it.
Hussy, I love you.
I love you. Bro.
Teddy. Teddy.
Two.
Me Teddy.
Guys,
Teddy.
my sister is a complete dancer. She goes to a ballet class.
Look, guys.
No, she can't dance. I'm gonna be nervous.
Wait here.
Guys, look at the Ace. Look at my baby brother. You know his name?
Teddy.
His name is baby brother.
I need Teddy.
His name is baby brother. No, his name is Ace. Ew! His bum bum!
Guys, do you have a Teddy at home?
I love Teddy. That's my Teddy.
No, that's my Teddy.
Last time, you remember what's the name?
Yeah.
Zia. You remember? I remember.
I see. This is your Teddy. Yeah, this is what Susan gave it to you. It's yours.
I'm not holding it.
But you like it.
I love it.
Do you love teddies? I love teddies. Slime.
Mommy, this slime is very nice. It doesn't stick to clothes. If you
That's nice.
So no need to worry about it. But if it couch, it will. Look, guys, look, baby brother. Hey, look there, show mom. Hey, guys, guys, that's my baby brother. He looks so cute, guys. I love him so much.
Me too.
Oh shoot, it's too sticky.
I see.
Oh shoot, Isa, could you get... Isa, what? Isa, could you get tissue?
Okay. Teddy, just right here.
Sticks to him, bro. Guys, Guys, that's why you need to put some more activator wraps. With these cereals. Oh,
Okay, you got some wipes for your hands to came off. I got some wipes.
Oh, that helps.
Yeah,
Yes.
I did. See? Told you.
Told the things. I have to put some more of this. I have to put
Guys, I can share my teddy. Her name is Gia, but she's a baby. Zia, but she's a baby.
Bruh, he does it.
He's a baby.
I love him.
He's a baby.
I used to be jealous because my name is Poopa. My teddy bear.
The face.
My teddy bear, baby teddy bear is named Poopa.
I see. This is my teddy.
Yeah, don't you mean it's poop? It's named Poop.
No, don't say that.
No, my teddy bear last time I named my baby.
What is she's name?
What's the name?
Poopa.
Ew.
My
Look.
Isa, you did not drink your water, Isa. Drink there.
fruit.
Okay.
Guys, look, it's sticking. Oh shoot, guys. Oh shoot. Guys, I had to put some more context. Oh shoot, guys.
Open and shut.
Shut your mouth. Guys, look at my other slime. Okay, that's so stretchy and sticky. Guys, why is it dripping? It's supposed to be a little hard. Guys, you have to put some more context in it.
I finished my water, Mommy.
Guys, look,
Mommy, I finished my water. Mommy, where's mine now? Where is it?
My other video, my glue was so bad, I hate. Then I told my dad to buy some clear glue.
I feel some more.
Isa, there's some more. Give me a sec. Oh shoot, it will stick to clothes. It's sticky.
I think I put some more. Help me.
Isa, wash it off.
But I have slime now.
Wash it off. Okay, give me it for a minute. I'll mix it to here. Wash hand.
I can use wipes to help.
It will not help. Washing hand will help.
Oh, it's sticking.
That's why you have to wash your hand.
Oh my gosh! I see! Look!
That might stick to clothes. Wash. Be careful.
Not careful. I'm just gonna close them. You know, put some soap. So open them. What?
That was fast. I made some fish.
This, sorry.
Guys, this one looks like gum. I want to eat it.
What?
I know. I'm gonna put some more color, guys. I'm gonna put a lot of context. Stop, Sison! Oh. Stop, it sticks to your hand. Isa, it will stick to your hand. Isa, it's sticking to your hand because your hand's hot. Stop, Isa! Isa, show your face. Sit down here. No, what the freak? Guys, look. I'm putting some color, guys. Isa. Triple. Mommy's laptop. Wow, guys! That's why I love. That's why I love making slime. We have to test. Oh shoot! Sorry, Isa. It sticks to your hand, bro. Uy. Hala. Not careful. But it sticks to clothes. But the other, it doesn't. Hala. Bro, your hand's hot, eh? If your hands are hot, it's gonna stick to your head. Hold on. Guys, this is the ASMR. Guys. Isa. Now let's make a bigger. Let's try, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what is it gonna look like when we're gonna. Isa, come on. Let's try and make a big bubble. Here, guys. Isa. Oh, hold one side. Hold one side, guys. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's forming. It's doing it.
Bro, it's not forming. It's not helping. It's too. Isa, no, Isa. Isa, it's mine and yours. Isa, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's make a bigger bubble. But you have to stretch it like this. So like this. Stretch it like that.
And then go.
And Whoa, guys! Let's do again, guys.
Yeah.
But wait, you have to put your hand in cold water, then it will help. So
Oh.
it will not stick. Put your hand to cold water.
Okay. I'll go get cold.
Did it work, guys? Ding dong, irira.
First, we have some.
I like people could do it long.
Cold water.
Ding dong, irira, lino, mixer, mixira, ding dong. What water did you use?
Cold. A lot cold. It's cold now.
Wait, it's too cold. Wait, what? Wipe your hand.
Okay.
Wipe your hand. It's there. Guys, I'm back. Bro, guys. Now, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, you have to stretch it like that. Do it. Now, let's do it. Oh my goodness! Oh, sorry.
Sorry, guys.
No. We're still vlogging though.
No. No, mommy.
Guys, look.
Don't,
Oh,
mommy.
guys,
Don't
let's-
do it.
Guys, let's do it again, guys. But it's not properly, guys. Ready? Ready? How about me? Am I done? Okay, I have to
drinking my
drink water,
water.
guys. Guys, look at the slime though. I love it. Guys, I haven't made slime in 3 years. 3 years, guys. Now I'm a 7-year-old. I'm about to be an 8-year-old. Look how high I am. She's a 4-year-old. Wow, and my baby brother is 10 months. Right, Mom? Or 9 months? Guys, look. Isa, let's make a bubble na. Isa, let's make a big bubble. It's a big bubble. Big bubble.
I'm a cousin.
No. No, not your teddy's turn.
Why?
Not allowed. His hand is furry.
Oh.
Throw it away. Ah! Oh, he's safe. It's fun, he said. It's fun. Come on, let's do it. Put it. Isa, you have to do this. Oh, look. Oh. Sa, come. Sa, oh, come. Help me. Come, let's make a bubble. Hold one side and you just stretch it like this. Wait, like that. Stretch it like this. Do it. Okay, drop it. Ready, set, go. Drop it. Drop it. Throw it. You do the rest. What a freak. Let's do it again, guys. Isa, come on. Isa, come on. Let's do it. Isa, already hold one side. Just keep on doing this. Keep on doing this. Don't stretch it. Carefully. Stretch it. very arrogant.
No!
Why? Guys, like and subscribe to our channel.
Bye! Let's go.
Guys, I think we did wrong. Isa, do it again. Wait, hold it in the corner. Not or hold it here. Hold it here. Hold. Now hold it there. Wait, guys.
What's the faster?
It's so stretchy, guys. No, it's not.